everyone, Morgan here. So today I am doing a switch over of my EDC bags. I hate switching bags. It is so obnoxious and annoying because you get your bag so perfect and you're like, yeah, I got it perfect. There's no other different configurations that I want. Yeah, I'm getting used to this. I've been wearing it for months and months and months. I've been wearing this for a long time now. Now, the only reason, this is the Maxpedition, the new sling pack that kind of goes along with their Entity series-ish. I did a review of it, but the only reason I'm switching out is because right now, Baby Rogue is in a stage in which I'm carrying her in the car seat a lot, and this is kind of just more in the way than anything. This actually is holding everything that I want and need. It's just kind of a little awkward right now. And also I've been carrying Baby Rogue in my front, and trying to do a sling bag while carrying a child up front just doesn't work. So right now I need a backpack. This is the Maxpedition. This is the Rift Point. I've had this backpack for a long while now, and I've been using this as kind of my get home bag, but right now I'm doing a hybrid of the get home bag and EDC bag. So what I did to make this process easier is that I took all the contents out of here and I laid them out in front of it. And then I took all the contents out of here and I laid it down in front. And then I picked the contents that I wanted just for this bag. So it is a hybrid. I have some stuff in here that I did not have in this bag, but I really like that I can have it in here now because this does hold a little bit more. Plus I can have patches again, which I like, One thing that I really loved about this is that it had a water bottle pouch, and this one doesn't, it comes like this, okay? Now, right now I've put just kind of a standard water bottle, Molly thing here that holds my water bottle. I want to get one that does not have this zipper top, and I don't really care about this side pocket here, but I'm going to get one. I believe VanQuest makes one actually in this similar color and style, so I'm going to get the VanQuest bottle holder that is about the same style and color. It's not on my to-do list. It's not on my priority list, rather. It's on my wish list. But I have this for now, and it's going to work for now. So anyway, I'm going to very quickly show you what is in here and how I've traded it out a little bit to make it my get home EDC bag. Alright, so I'm going to make this fairly quick. Here in the top pouch, I have just a few little odds and ends, things that are really easily accessible, okay? So I have some little bit of diaper trash bag things, some gum, some glasses cleaner, and then some eye drops for when I wear contacts. So that's there, and then some chapstick, and then this is for either Kid Rogue or me. We both like Smarties. And then I have a little change purse. And then this wallet actually is going to be in my pockets. I don't like carrying stuff like this that can be kind of, unzipped and taken out. So this will generally be in my pocket, but it's just kind of hanging out there. And then in this pouch down below, it's really nice and easily accessible. I can access it by just swinging it over and then going like that, right? Just doing about a half zip, which is really nice as well. Anyway, I have some diapers, wipes, my manicure set. I have some tissues, which are super useful. I use tissues all the time. These are electrolyte tablets. I have, this is a dollar store brush with a mirror that I have. This is lotion because my hands get so dry. This is extra batteries. I have some bug spray and sunscreen. Nice, sits there right inside. And then here I have a Write in the Rain notepad and then 2 pens. My daughter likes to play with a pen, so usually I'll have an extra pen and I'll rip out a piece of paper for her to play with. One thing I really like about this bag is that it opens up completely, as you can see. So I have a whole bag of snacks. We go through a lot of snacks in this family. Here I have the tourniquet. There's really no easy way for me to carry the tourniquet on the outside or something right now. I'd have to have a separate pouch, but I have it nice and tucked in right there, and I know exactly where it is, and it is pretty easy access. I can just zip it open and grab it. And then this is a little ground tarp. Oh, It's like coming out of the bag all hardcore. This is a little ground tarp. I like to keep it in here because I can use it as shelter, ground tarp, kind of whatever. It's pretty lightweight. Extra clothes for Kid Rogue and Baby Rogue. And then I have my Survivor filter with a collapsible water bottle. I have my first aid kit. I have a little little survival kit here. Everyday survival kit as well. And then I have a couple masks. And I have a compass. The only thing that I would like in here is actually a map. I do not have a map. I don't know why. I need to get a map in here. But that's the only thing that I don't have. And then there's a little pocket right here. The only thing I have in here is this is an extra battery charger by Anchor, and along with a power cord for my phone. There's a couple little odds and ends here and there. You know, like I want to add that map, and in that survival kit, you know, like I have my Silcocky and I have a fire starting stuff, and I have like a whole bunch of stuff in there. It's my daughter knocking. So on that note, you know, that's pretty much all that's going to be in here. This is mostly for EDC purposes, but it is for get home, you know, purposes as well. So it's pretty nice. It's really lightweight. I love this bag. Oh yeah, and I have my keys and stuff attached to this, which actually works really well when I actually have it on. Like I have, you know, a whole bunch of survival stuff on my keys, regular keys, you know, more sunscreen. It's summer. And then hand sanitizer. So, yeah, anyway, I'm going to be wearing this around for a little while, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be perfect for my purposes for at least the next maybe 6 months to the next, you know, 9 months or so, while I'm still wearing Baby Rogue up front, and you know, while she's still little and not walking, kind of thing. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Conquer Tomorrow, Preparing Today. Things are always changing, and it's great to just keep learning, adapting, and changing as needed. Thank you all so much for watching. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.